I want to get this Norton done today. Finished wired, get the tank on, get some fuel in it, put some oil back in it. I want to get that bike done today, and it's already 1:45 on a Sunday afternoon. Like I just got home now. Like, but first, as usual, I got to clean up my bench. I went and got the other Harley engine. There's the block and pistons, and I got the cylinders, and then here's all the heads and everything here. So I got one complete spare engine. So that's why I had to go to Windsor today and get that. But that's another day. Because Port Dover, Friday the 13th run is September 13th this year. It's less than a month away. So I got to get that bike done too. Before then, get it running. I'm pretty sure it's not going to need that much, that bike. There's a bunch of stuff I need to change though on it. But today, let's get this Norton back together, complete, all one piece. And that's my goal today. First, I got to clean this bench off here and lay out all my parts that I need. So I'm going to do that now. Been almost too long. I had this apart too long. I got to start over. My mind's got to think back, because I thought I had two brand new petcocks for this thing, and I can't find them. And then I think when I got this tank, it had these petcocks on it, which work. They work good. And then I think I sold those brand new ones, I think, on eBay. But yeah, I had two ignition switches. I couldn't remember which one, but I'm pretty sure it's that one. So I got that mounted on there. I got the new kickstart mounted on. Got the gas cap mounted on, polished it up a little bit. This gas cap does have a ding in it. On this side, little ding right there, but it's original. So now I'm going to put the fuel petcocks on. I've got two of these tank brackets, because when I bought that last tank, it came with an original tank bracket, but I think I'll put the new one on this bike and save this one for the other bike. And then the headlight's another whole different story. Like, I kind of forgot. It's been a long time. I should go back and watch my own videos. I thought I was going to go to a halogen in this new one. But maybe it wouldn't fit. I mean, there was a problem fitting this into the housing. I gotta screw around for a few minutes and figure out where I'm at here. Get my mind in order. Putting the mounts on for the tank. And I'm just putting a little bit of this 518 Loctite. It's a flange sealant. It's not the real hard stuff. Gasket maker. Put a little bit on the threads. And then I'll double nut it, tighten it up. I didn't realize those holes go right straight through into the tank, so you could easily get a leak around these things. Okay, so there's the two rubbers for that. And these are the original front reflectors there, but painted them to match the frame. I believe they sit like about like that. So that's ready to go. Now we just got to put the these on. I've got the proper goop for this. I just can't find it, and I just had it last week. I got to look around for it some more. Okay, been working on here for 3 or 4 hours. Got the tank, everything's sealed up here. I ordered these two rubbers to be in Wednesday, a couple days, because these holes go right into the tank, so they got to be sealed. And I got the bike all wired. Everything's marked, everything's labeled, everything works. Yeah, I'm just leaving the ignition wire off for now so I don't heat the coils up. And it's all rough wired right now, but I got to pull the wires out through this hole in here and stick the grommet in. I got the big grommet. Here it is. Yeah, that grommet's supposed to go in that hole. And I gotta put the oil back in. Yeah, I got the front brake switch works here. The rear brake switch works. The running lights work. The gauge lights work. Everything's wired in, ready to go. Horn works. The only thing I don't have wired in is the kill switch, and cause I'm not sure if you can ground out these Boyer ignitions, like just short them to ground, because that's what that original kill switch was for up there, was to ground it out. I'll leave that for now, and I'll eventually order those fitted fuel lines. This isn't too safe like this, but it's enough to get it running for now. All right, that's it for tonight. She's getting real close. I think my battery might be junk. I've been charging it all day. Shut that off. I'm not sure if the horn is still hooked up, but yeah, it's coming back. Seems like it's coming back. That battery wasn't doing anything before. I think it got drained right out. Yeah, shut that off. Yeah, better take this off so it's short out tonight. Okay, that's it for tonight. It's about 3 or 4 days later. I got the rubbers in. 4 days at least. Hopefully they're the British Cycle thread, which they should be. You're in my way, dog. Smell? That's not a treat. No, that's not a treat. Vicious little guard dog. Not a real good tight fit. Gonna need goop for sure, these things. I'm going fishing, so I'm not going to get this thing done for a few days. I'm not going to get it done today. So close. So close. Went to put the new one on and the holes don't line up. They're out by a 3/8 of an inch anyways, but I just gotta bend this some more. So I'm just gonna go back to the old one. The old one's a little thicker padding on it and it's a little heavier duty, so put the original one on. And that's it. That's ready to go. What's Doggy doing down there? What are you doing? Wiring's all done. I just got to pull it out, label it, and push it back through the grommets. and it's ready. So next week, it's gonna have to wait till next week. Today is Sunday. I'm gone for a few days, and it's gonna have to wait till next week. That's it. It'll be September next week, and this bike still isn't on the road. I'm way too busy. Way too committed. Too many other projects, helping kids out, fix their houses up. Way too committed. And then I just want to get this thing on the road. I want to get this on the road for the Friday the 13th Port Dover run. Hopefully I can get this little fire up, but hopefully this will run good, and I'll be at Port Dover this year, first time. Okay, see you later.